Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation. I am Afsan Raman Priya. Today I am going to present you my University Scholarship Management project. Here you can see the year diagram and schema diagram of our project. We have 5 specific features for this project. I have worked on feature number 5, which is admin panel. Admin can view, maintain a scholarship list with information semester wise and category wise. For this specific feature, I have created a project. Now I am going to show you that. For my project, I have created a DBMS which is USM, and I have created a scholarship details for my project. Here you can see my project. My project is basically work for inserting, viewing, updating and deleting data from scholarship details table. Now I am going to show you how it is working. First of all, I am going to add a new student. After clicking on the add new student, it brings me to the create record page. Now I am inserting a new student data. I am submitting it and you can see a new row has added here. I am going back to my DBMS and you can see the changes come here also. Now I am going to show you my view record option. If I click on the view record option, it brings me to the view record page. This page actually giving me the opportunity to view the specific row data. And now I'm clicking on the back option. It has bring me to the previous page. Now I'm going to show you my update record option. After clicking on the update record, it has bring me to the update record page. And now I'm updating the semester now. And clicking on that, you can see the change here. Again, I am checking my DBMS and you can see that the change has come here also. Now I want to show you my delete option. I am clicking on the delete record option. It has bring me to the new page and it is showing me a message that are you sure you want to delete this student record? Here has two options, yes and no. I am clicking on the yes option so that I can show you the change. You can see that the row has deleted. And again I am going back to my DBMS and refreshing it. You can see that the change has come here. Now I am going to describe my codes. For this project, I have basically used PHP card functionalities. Card is the short form of create, update, read and delete. Here I have create a config.php file which is basically creating the relation between my web page and the DBMS. I have created an index.php file so that the user can see the data from the table. And I have created a add new student option so that the button will work for the inserting the data. And you can see that I have created a create.php file also. It has give the opportunity to the user to insert data. And for the inserting data, I have used some condition. If the data is empty, the user will see a message that please enter a student ID. And if the data is not an integer, the viewer will see that please enter a valid student ID. And if the data can't maintain a specific pattern, here I have made a pattern that the student ID should be always start with 1 to 9 any digit but not with the 0, and it should be 8 length digit. And now I am going to show you how this option is working. I am adding a new student and I am not inserting student ID here. You can see that it has given me a message. And now I am going to insert student ID like this. And again, I am seeing a message. Now I am cancelling it. By this way, my create.php file is working. And I am not only create terms and condition for the student ID, I have create terms and condition for semester long also. I am allowing here only 1 to 19 for semester long value, and the semester long also be a integer value. And here is the scholarship category. For the scholarship category, I have used some regular expression, and also I am giving the condition that it should not be empty. By this way, my create.php is working. The read.php is basically reading or the simply retrieve the records from the student table based the non attribute. Here you can see it. And I have created a update.php file, which is basically updating data. And um, you can see that for updating data, I have also created some terms and condition, so that in the time of updating any kind of data, the user can't enter any kind of invalid input. I'm going to show that how it is working. Now I'm clicking on the update record option and I'm entering a value. I'm clicking on the submit option and you can see that I have received a message that please enter a valid semester now. I'm cancelling it. I have created this type of terms and condition for student ID, semester norm and scholarship category. This is my update.php file. And here you can see my delete.php file. It is basically work on the non and deleting the data according to the user request. Here you can see the error.php file, which is basically working for the codes, so that the codes, if the code has any kind of error, it can handle. So it was my presentation and thank you for listening it.